picked this up not long ago. It's a 8mm camcorder or whatever, I believe. At first I was like, the person with me, they're like, oh, is that a traffic gun or what? I was like, no, I'm pretty sure it's what I'm looking for. It's a 8mm camera. And, I'd been reading a film book and wanted to shoot some 8mm. And lo and behold, the Lord allowed me to run into this baby. So, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Praise Jesus. Focus. Okay, come on. I'm sick, so maybe I shouldn't be making this video. Test on off, wide, tele. Yeah. Lights, camera, action, y'all, But anyway, I've had this for, what has it been, like, between 4 and 6 months I've had this, and, just the test button there, but yeah, so, everybody in my house is sick right now. I didn't notice this before, but this opens up and you can pull it and put the put batteries in or whatever, and right here, or no, where is it? Right here, you open this and put the film in, so, probably not, this video might not be very good right now, but, yeah, I can't do it one-handed, but yeah, oh, there it goes, I did do it one-handed, put the film in here. If anyone knows where to find 8mm 8mm film, let me know, please. You can't push that in while it's open, apparently. So, alright, yeah, so, yeah, pretty happy about that. So, if anybody knows where to get film for this baby for not too much or whatever, knows how to use it real well, stuff like that, let me know, please. Also would need somebody to actually work it, yeah, for the film, but anyway. Alright, so, just wanted to show that off. It's, pretty cool. And yeah, I've been trying to hide this, but you can see how much I paid for it. I paid $8. So, bought it at my local Goodwill, so, and that came open. But yeah, so, pretty cool. Alright, love y'all, God bless, take care, and thanks for watching.